We do want to take a look at how world equity markets are reacting to those stories and other news this morning following yesterday's global sell-off. So we've got Kathy Yang standing by in Hong Kong. But first, let's get the European market reaction to those German numbers. Rishad Salamat is in London. Rish?
Hey, Scarlett. Yeah, but we're on an absolute flyer at the moment. Let's have a look at the DAX first of all. Now, moving to the upside, and with such gusto after that ZEW number, just to pick up on Philip was saying, they're better than expected. In fact, better even than the Whisper number out there, which is for a figure of 50. DAX up now 0.8%, 41 points. FTSE up 0.9% here in London. We're seeing, of course, the CAC 40 here as well, moving to the upside. So general positivity coming through. We've had an up-arrow story for much of the session. It remains that way. Generally speaking, these markets coming back after that biggest drop that we saw in a month yesterday. Mining stocks at the forefront of what's going on in London again. Rio Tinto moving to the upside. We've got BHP Billiton rising alongside that one. An increase in the price of raw materials or base metals here responsible. Copper advancing for the first time in 3 days. And we've got HSBC in the mix as well. It's helping to charge up some of the banks, but by no means all of them. Europe's biggest bank moving about 2.5% to the upside. Goldman Sachs raising its recommendation on the shares. They are now a buy, and they had been a neutral. So shares moving to the upside after that ZEW number coming through much better than expected.